Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and on the turntable this week we have the Matchbox Superfast 64E Fire Chief's car. The model was introduced in 1976 in only one color and remained for sale for 3 years until 1979, when it was replaced with the Caterpillar D9 bulldozer. The model was reissued in 1986 until 1988 in the GT series, which were simplified castings with black windows and no interior. Unlike the Stretcher-Fetcher ambulance, there are no real indications that this model was based on an existing car. It has some features of the Amex Javelin, but looks more like something straight out of a Mad Max movie, with a very large engine bonnet and a raised rear end with larger wheels which made it tilt slightly towards the front. The interior was chromed, since it also contained the engine intakes and the rear taillights. Our specimen is something that would have been thrown away. The wheels are thoroughly worn after hours of driving over concrete. The windows are scratched and the entire model is painted in a mixture of white, red and black. Well, I see what I can do with this one, so let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The 64E Fire Chief's car looks like something straight out of a Mad Max movie, that is, if they would have needed firefighters. It was one of the fantasy vehicles Leslie designed for the Superfast line to compete with Mattel's Hot Wheels. This specimen has quite some miles on its wheels and has been painted over several times. The windows are scratched and flecked with paint, the chrome is flaking and the wheels are worn down. And here's our Fire Chief's car after restoration in its new flame red coat. I was able to restore all the parts, including the scratched up windows. I designed and printed new door stickers, rechromed the chrome parts and gave the bottom plate a good polish. Now it looks like new again. However, I feel this would also be a good car to do a custom makeover. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.